Hi, I'm Silke Hendel from Heart for Art and founder of Paint Club. I love helping people find joy and healing through art. Have you ever wanted to learn to paint, but you just don't know where to start? Or are you looking for a creative outlet that's fun and easy? Well, I want to teach you the exact process I've used to teach thousands of my clients and how you can easily get started painting and boost your well-being. Art has been proven to be good for you. It makes you happy and it helps you relax and unwind. And it's so much fun. And I'd love to share all of that with you in Paint Club. And that's why I created Paint Club. So let me take you on a tour and show you what's inside the membership so you can see what's waiting for you. So here's the homepage of our hub, and it's where there's loads and loads of resources and goodies waiting for you. There's a handy collection of quick links that will help you get to everything fast. And underneath that, you can see the next painting I'll be teaching live, and we'll be painting together live. You can click that and go directly to our Facebook group to join on the day. And you can download and print the supply list and any materials that you need to get ready to paint before the event. Now, each supply list includes all the brushes and paint colors and everything you need to create that painting, plus a nice big reference picture of the painting to refer to while you paint, just to make it even easier. Now, in each lesson, I show you step by step how to create that painting, including which brushes to use, what colors, how to mix your colors, all the techniques and everything. And I'll give you time to do each step as well. So you're having fun creating a painting and learning to paint at the same time. And after only a few hours, you have your very own beautiful masterpiece. Yay. Now, under that is our most recent lesson. So at the time of the recording, we just did Field of Flowers. You can click on that and it will take you straight to the replay and the supply list for that one. And there's a brand new painting added every month. So a quick overview of the hub and all the resources in here. We have our online community, which is our private Facebook community, which is where you can join in with all the live lessons and where our members connect with each other, ask questions, share ideas, and get all the inspiration and feedback and all the support they need. And it's also where you get direct access to me anytime as well. We also have our success path, which helps you identify where you are on your creative journey right now and all the best next steps for you. Whether you're a first-time painter needing to learn all the basics or more advanced and you want to improve your skills, it has all the steps and how-to tutorials to take you to the next level. Now, this is the course that's getting our new members quickly from being excited new artists, not sure where to start, to being confident, happy artists creating beautiful paintings really quickly. So then we have the best bit, the whole library of painting projects. This is the whole back catalogue of all the painting tutorials. So let's take a look in there. Now you can join the live lessons anytime, or you can watch and paint with the replay anytime after. So every month a new painting gets added to our library here. With supply lists and traces. And if I click on this little arrow here, that's going to show me all of them at once, and you can paint, and you can see there's loads of fun paintings to create. The newest one is always at the top. Now, each tutorial is between 2 to 4 hours long, which includes time for you to do all the steps as we go as well. So you can click on any of them to open them. I'll go to Sunset Reflections, and it takes you to that video for that painting. Now, all of them are in the playlist on the side again as well, so you can pick from there too. Now, once you've picked the one, hello, just pause that. You can click on it in the side here as well. So you'll see if I go into this one, underneath each video is also the attachments here. I'll just pause myself. In the attachments, you'll see the supply list, all the downloadable resources for that painting. So let me click on that. So here you can see there's a supply list and traces as well as your supply list. You just click to download them. And if you're thinking some of these look hard or you're worried about not being able to draw, I've got you covered because I break everything down into super simple, doable steps, including the sketching. And if it's a harder design, I'll give you a tracer. So you can see there's traces in a couple of sizes here. Now, I design all the paintings I teach myself. And because many of our members are new members that have never painted before, I designed them all to be doable by anyone, by absolute beginners as well. So even if you've never picked up a paintbrush before, they're all super simple and anyone can do them, and you'll get that therapeutic boost from being creative as well. And then if you want any extra tips, you'll see there's a link to my blog here. There's videos and articles on things like how to do smooth blends, different brushes and how to use them, creating depth, shading, how to hang your paintings, and loads of different things to learn and techniques that'll really help you learn more and feel more confident painting. All right, now we also have a live Q&A session where you can ask me questions as well. And if you need any more help, we have a really comprehensive support and FAQ section here as well, where you can find answers to all the common questions and issues, and also lots of different ways to get help. So you can see there's loads of painting tutorials, helpful resources, and loads of extras. So you've basically got everything you need to learn to paint, learn new painting skills and enjoy regular creative time out. That's going to really boost your happiness and your confidence and your well-being all in one place. Now that's all online as well. So you can paint and learn from anywhere you want, and I'm with you. We're all with you every step of the way. So I hope you're as excited as I am about Paint Club, and I cannot wait to see you in there.